Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today guys, I want to share this wonderful homemade remedy with you all. Okay, how to achieve pink lips in 5 minutes with just two products. It's very simple. Like if you have those stubborn color that you can't even get rid of, or this dark color on your lip that you can't get rid of, then you need to sit around and watch this video to the end. Let me just take you through the process of turning your lips color to pink. Is very simple. Just with these two products, milk and turmeric, you can achieve it. So let's get right into the video. You will be amazed how your lips will turn to pink instantly in just 5 minutes. Tried it this morning and it really worked. Turmeric and cold milk, it wasn't so hard to achieve. Okay, here is the procedure. Get a clean plate. We're going to make a paste of turmeric powder with a little cold milk. It's very simple. You just put in turmeric powder and a small quantity of milk and mix together before you apply on your lips.